Most small and mid-sized businesses still run critical decisions through spreadsheets, disconnected dashboards, and manual reports. That means slower responses, less clarity, and leadership teams managing the business through fragments instead of intelligence. In a market that now expects real-time action, that gap is no longer just inefficient. It's a strategic disadvantage. Xpherium was built for that exact gap. Its product, Intelligence Navigator, brings analytics, insights, monitoring, and automation into one AI-powered platform designed for how SMBs actually operate. Instead of stitching together separate tools for reporting, forecasting, alerts, and follow-up, teams work from one system that turns raw business data into usable direction. That matters because for SMBs, simplicity isn't a nice-to-have. It's what makes adoption, speed, and ROI possible. The platform's value expands through a broad capability set, from advanced analytics and business intelligence to document intelligence that pulls signal from unstructured information. It also adds forecasting, dynamic pricing optimization, customer and competitor intelligence, key performance indicator and sentiment analysis, so teams can spot changes early instead of reacting after performance slips. And with autonomous agents built into the workflow, Intelligence Navigator moves beyond passive reporting toward intelligent action at scale. Businesses can embed or share autonomous chatbots across their teams and website. The workflow is simple and scalable. First, Intelligence Navigator connects to the business data already spread across systems, so leaders can stop chasing numbers across disconnected sources. Next, it helps teams understand what's driving performance by translating KPIs into plain language insights, patterns, and root causes. Then it monitors risk and performance in real time, surfacing anomalies, shifts, and emerging issues when they matter most. Finally, it turns those insights into action through AI-driven recommendations and automated follow-through. Connect, understand, monitor, and act becomes one continuous operating loop. From an investor perspective, the appeal is clear. SMBs need enterprise-grade intelligence, but they rarely have enterprise-scale teams, time, or systems. Intelligence Navigator reduces manual work, speeds execution, and compresses the path from data to decision. That creates operating leverage for customers and a strong value proposition for the platform. Because it sits where teams read performance, detect issues, and take action. It has the potential to become a sticky system of record and system of action at the same time. The proof theme is practical. Customers don't need more dashboards. They need a clearer signal from complex data so they can make decisions without delay. That's where Intelligence Navigator stands out. It surfaces what matters, cuts through noise, and helps teams align around the next best move. The result is faster, more confident execution, which is exactly the kind of product value that drives retention and expansion over time. Why now? Because SMBs are under growing pressure to do more with less, and the market is shifting from interest in AI to demand for practical adoption that delivers measurable outcomes. Intelligence Navigator is positioned to become the intelligence layer for modern businesses. That's what makes this opportunity strategically relevant, commercially compelling, and built for growth.